Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. So a lot of stop losses have been taken away for Bitcoin here. You have this one stop there, and you can see that after some few days Bitcoin potentially came down here, and you do have this stop loss that was pretty much taken away, and a lot of people were trying to short the market, but then Bitcoin decided to move to the upside. Now yes, we have a pump, but it's not a very strong pump. But one thing that is still good, as I told you before, is that you have a threat of this double top. Okay, this is still a double top that is pending, in my opinion. And you can see that you did have this resistance, and you got rejected. You went to the downside. You had another resistance there. You went to the downside, got rejected, and at this point you actually pumped up. You came down for the retest. You're holding this as support. You went up again. You're coming down. You're potentially holding this as support. So even though you may see a double top, but it's still not in play, because your neckline at this point of time is actually not broken. So the neckline comes down here, and in my opinion, I think if Bitcoin does in the next coming days go to 24 or maybe $25,000 and lose the trend line, then that's where we could see Bitcoin do something like this, come up, retest, and then potentially move to the downside. So at this point, yes, I may say it's a 50-50 situation, and yeah, so this point is a 50-50 situation, and then we're going to go back into the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on. So in the 4-hour time frame, it's a consolidation, right? So move down, move up, move down, move up, and this is known as consolidation. Okay, sideways movement market. So there's nothing going on. There's no winning of the sellers, there's no winning of the buyers here, and everyone is pretty much fighting. It's a dog fight. It's a tug of war. You push my back, I push your back. So it's pretty much a funny scenario right over here, and I think only dumb people are going to come and trade this place. Now, especially if you do not, let's say, if you're trading with thousands of dollars or hundreds and thousands of dollars, this actually could be a pretty good range for you to trade. You can see that, right? So you do have this as your resistance there, resistance, support, a breakout, came down with a fake out, and then you have support right there, coming up to the resistance, coming to the support, coming to the resistance. So right now, in my opinion, if you're looking to come down and take this out, which is this whole box right over there from something like this, yeah, so this box right over here, and then you take it out, and then you go down, you back test. That's it. Bitcoin is looking to have a stroll down, and I'm expecting a stroll in September. I don't remember what's the date today, so it's 13. Today's 13 of September. So you have like 27 days, no, 17 days actually. So 17 days, still a long time to go. Maybe the next 7 days, maybe the market may be just sideways, okay? And in 7 days, you may not see anything happen at all. And then after 7 days, after 10 days, we may start to see a lot of volatility. I do expect something to happen by 24 though, which is actually 11 days from now on. So let's see. Still have negative feeling and negative vibe of Bitcoin. CME gap is right there in front of you at $20,000. September is a very bad historical month as well. So be very careful at this point of time. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.